Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the 7 most reliable used SUVs with low maintenance costs. Buying a used SUV can be a great way to save money, but it can also come with risks if you don't know what to look for. That's why we've put together a list of the 7 most dependable used SUVs that won't break the bank when it comes to maintenance. So if you're in the market for a reliable used SUV that won't cost a fortune to maintain, then this video is for you. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into the top 7 most reliable used SUVs with low maintenance costs. 2022 Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is a small SUV that, in addition to living up to Mazda's reputation for agile handling, offers an almost luxury-level experience at a price that is more in line with market standards. The Mazda CX-5 has an outstanding selection of security measures. All versions come with advanced driver aid technology such as collision warning in addition to standard airbags, a rear-view camera, traction control, and hill launch assist. In the first 10 years of ownership, a Mazda CX-5 will cost you around $7,339 in maintenance and repairs, which beats the industry average for popular SUV models in $1,794. As far as having to bring your car in for unexpected maintenance goes, the Mazda SUV had an average of 0.3 times each year compared to a 0.4 for other midsize SUVs and cars. In general, the Mazda CX-5 is a pretty reliable car. 2023 Honda CR-V. The 6th generation of the compact SUV begins with the 2023 CR-V, which brings a number of upgrades. It is bigger overall, has modern exterior appearance, and a roomier interior with a more sophisticated design and more luxurious features. To keep you safe on the road, the 2023 CR-V is equipped with a wealth of standard driver assistance technologies. But when it comes to unplanned repairs, CR-V owners have to have their SUVs repaired an average of 0.3 times a year, and that's not very often, which is average compared to other compact SUVs at 0.3 also. What's more, the probability of a repair being a major issue is 9%, which is significantly lower than the average SUV's probability of 11%, and the cost of repairs is just over $7,000 after 10 years. 2022 Nissan Murano. The 2022 Nissan Murano is a sleek crossover car hybrid that departs from the typical tough and natural design of many SUVs. There is no disputing that it has a distinctive and difficult-to-define design that is likely to draw attention. Nissan has equipped all models of the SUV with an astonishing assortment of standard driving assistance technology to help make every drive safer and more convenient, and the Murano has consistently performed well in dependability tests over the years. For context, the industry average for maintenance costs of popular SUVs after 10 years is just over $9,000. So overall, the Nissan Murano will cost you about $7,577 for maintenance and repairs during the first 10 years of service. It's important to note that there are many dependable vehicles that may also require frequent but affordable maintenance, and the Murano is one of them. 2022 Kia Soul. The Kia Soul is a unique SUV in that it has practical styling more akin to a compact car than a traditional SUV. It also doesn't offer all-wheel drive, which may not be appealing to everyone. Nevertheless, the Soul has a lot going for it, including a very affordable price, a solid reputation for dependability, and an industry-leading warranty when it comes to safety. The base Soul model from Kia comes with a few driver assistance technologies as standard, but the S model and higher come with more. The Soul has ABS brakes, which automatically detect when a tire has stopped rotating during extreme braking, and adjust the brake pressure to allow the tire to rotate, increasing the vehicle's ability to turn while braking. Yet over the course of a 10-year period, maintenance fees are certain to run you about $6,896, with the majority of costs occurring after the first 5 years. Moreover, Kia offers a renowned 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Toyota RAV4. Although the Toyota RAV4 may not be the most exciting compact SUV from a driver's perspective, its practicality and efficiency support its value. The RAV4 comes with a variety of standard driver assistance features to help you stay safe on the road. You can also add additional features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert. So how much does the upkeep cost? The first 10 years of maintenance and repairs on a Toyota RAV4 will cost you roughly $5,531, which is $3,622 less than the industry average for popular SUV models. Also, A RAV4 has a 16.8% risk of needing a major repair during that time, which is 5.42% lower than similar vehicles in its sector. 2022 Toyota CHR. The 2022 Toyota CHR has a striking design that can draw attention, but its driving experience falls short when it comes to reliability. Despite this, the car is top-notch, with only 16% of owners reporting a problem in the first year. The CHR is equipped with all the standard safety features Toyota can muster, including Safety Sense, which combines adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, and pedestrian detect. This SUV is exceptional in every way. The first 10 years of maintenance and repairs on a Toyota CHR will cost you roughly $5,425. 2022 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. The 2022 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross is a small SUV with athletic aesthetics, but it performs on the road with less sparkle than its showy exterior might imply in terms of basic driver assistance. Automated emergency braking and lane departure warning are technologies that come standard, but for more advanced capabilities, you must select an upper trim level. There is a 21.63% probability that an Eclipse Cross will need a significant repair during that time, and maintenance costs for the Eclipse Cross start at around $1,892 after 5 years, and increase to $7,181 after 10. These costs include routine maintenance, items with predicted wear and tear and repairs. It's also crucial to remember that these costs do not include any free warranty work. Thank you for watching our video on the 7 most reliable used SUVs with low maintenance costs. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your search for a reliable yet affordable SUV. Buying a used SUV can be a smart decision, but it's important to do your research to ensure you're getting a reliable vehicle that won't cost you a fortune in maintenance. We're glad to have been able to provide you with some insight into the most dependable options available today. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content about cars and other vehicles. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.